Kling 3.0 just got released inside Higgsfield. It is in early access mode and you can try it out right now. I will leave the link for Higgsfield down below in the description, and on your screen right now you're seeing videos generated with Kling 3.0. They look very amazing, and right now you can get Kling 3.0 completely unlimited with a 70% discount. Additionally, you also get unlimited Nano Banana Pro, which is very useful if you want to do image to video generation, because you are going to be able to generate high quality images and then turn them into videos. Today we are going to cover this new release of Kling 3.0. It comes also with a Kling 3.0 Omni model that allows you to edit videos. So let's see all of the features available inside Higgsfield. I also have created for you a high quality prompt that you can use with your AI, and you can turn any single prompt you have into a high quality, super optimized video prompt. So let's begin. On the video tab, you're going to find Kling 3.0. So Kling 3.0 can work with a start frame and an end frame. If you select multi-shot generation, you can only begin with a start frame. So the first thing to see is the settings. You can select multi-shot for multiple different shots for your video. You can select to have sound on, or you can select to add specific characters or objects that are going to be consistent across your video. These are called elements inside Higgsfield, and you just can create an element by uploading an image or a video, giving it a reference, name, and also giving it a simple description. This is very powerful if you have people, characters, or objects that you want to use again and you want them to have high quality. So Kling 3.0 comes with multiple settings, such as setting the duration of the video. You can go all the way up to 15 seconds. You can also select the aspect ratio and the resolution of your video. It goes all the way up to 1080p. Right now, of course, there are so many users that it's going to be very slow to generate anything with these full limits. Here you can also generate image to video, or you can also go from text to video, so you don't always need an image. A lot of people now will ask, okay, how can I create a high quality prompt? So I've created this prompt architecture instruction. This is essentially a system prompt that you can use with any AI chatbot, and you're going to give it to it and then just type your prompt. So what I have done is I went over to Gemini and I created a gem. A gem is essentially a specific instantiation of the Gemini models with your own system prompt. So this document will be available for you down below in the description. You are going to also get a lot of links about Higgsfield and Kling 3.0 if you want to try it out. And you can take this prompt, go into Gemini on gems, new gem, and add the system prompt here. So after that, you can open up the gem, which is essentially a chat interface, and you can just write your prompt. It's going to turn, for example, this Darth Vader prompt that I have created into this final prompt that is so much more detailed, and it has motion and a lot of details. It's so high quality and it's going to generate such an amazing video. So this kind of generation and this kind of prompt is essentially important for you to generate videos like the ones you see on screen. If you don't have a high quality prompt, even Kling 3.0 won't be able to generate what you want. So I want to cover right now some of the options and some of the upgrades that make Kling 3.0 so amazing. It supports, as we've said, text to video. It also supports image to video with a start frame and an end frame, which is nothing else rather than just an image. So for example, you can put this image as the start frame, and you can then put this image as the end frame, and then you can say add the person slowly in the video, and boom, it's going to generate a video about that. Also, it has audio generation by default, which is very important. You can directly add dialogue in your videos or just do lip sync, which is a game changer for AI influencer. Also, the support for sound and conversation is for multiple languages, not only English. Finally, image to video is more consistent than ever, and if you use it with the elements as we've seen, you are going to supercharge the consistency of your video. Now, if you want to edit videos, there is this edit video option. In the past, Kling 01 Edit was the best model for editing videos, but now you can upgrade to Kling 3.0 Omni Edit. So what happened is that Kling upgraded 01, and right now there is high reference fidelity. It will follow your prompt a lot better than in the past, and also for influencers and characters there is a lot more expressivity in their facial structure and animations. So how can you do video editing? First of all, you need to upload a video between 3 to 10 seconds. After you upload the video, you could, for example, add elements or images. Again, an element is an image and an object that you want to use over and over again. Otherwise, you can just upload a simple image. Then by using the prompt, you can ask it to use, for example, an image, and you can also reference the video. So you can drag and drop these, distinct elements that compromise and can create a video together all inside your prompt. So this is very, very powerful. For example, change the video using the image one as the black dragon. This is an example of how you would use an image and a video to change the video, edit it out using an image. So this is very, very powerful, and it could completely change the way you create AI videos. So in my opinion, Kling 3.0 is an amazing new model that you should absolutely try out right now. I will leave the link for Higgsfield for you to check out if you're interested in video generation, and I will see you guys on the next video. Let me know what you think about Kling 3.0 and see you on the next video.